Dubai reprimands Three Arrows Capital founders over new exchange OPNX. The newly launched claims exchange OPNX has been operating on an unregulated basis, local authorities said. The founders of collapsed hedge fund, Three Arrows Capital 3AC, have found themselves in hot water with Dubai's crypto regulator over their new project. Kyle Davies and Sue Ju, the co-founders of 3AC, were among 5 people issued with a written reprimand by Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority (VARA) in relation to the recently launched open exchange OPNX. The site, which went live last month, has been offering virtual asset exchange services without securing any regulatory licenses, according to a statement from VARA. OPNX offers spot and futures trading, and has also said it will launch a service allowing investors to trade bankruptcy claims for insolvent platforms like FTX and Celsius. VARA officials say they issued OPNX and its founders with a cease and desist order in February, which resulted in some restrictions being applied regarding residents of Dubai and the rest of the United Arab Emirates (UAE). However, they were not applied comprehensively across all communication channels, leading to a second cease and desist notice in March. OPNX then launched its exchange on April 4, prompting VARA to issue an investor and marketplace alert on the subject, before sending the written reprimand on April 18. Mark Lam and Sudhu Aramugam, who co-founded the business with Davies and Ju, were also addressed in the reprimand, as was OPNX CEO Leslie Lam. Following the launch, and with the continued lack of satisfactory remedial action by the responsible parties, VARA is continuing to actively monitor the situation and investigate OPNX activity to assess further corrective measures that may be required to protect the market, the regulator said in its statement. Decrypt has reached out to OPNX for comment regarding Dubai's action. Plans for OPNX first became public in January when a leaked pitch deck showed that the 4 founders were looking to raise $25 million and would call the new exchange GTX because G comes after F in a reference to the collapse of FTX. The name was later changed. OPNX uses CoinFlex's native token Flex, while its CEO Leslie Lam is both Chief Marketing Officer at CoinFlex and married to Mark Lam. Roger Ver doesn't shy away from causing controversy. Image, Decrypt. CoinFlex founder offers Bitcoin evangelist Roger Ver olive branch to settle alleged $84 in debt. Co-founder of the troubled crypto exchange, CoinFlex Mark Lam issued an open letter to Bitcoin evangelist and Bitcoin Cash promoter Roger Ver offering him an olive branch of 2 years of free trading on OPNX, a newly launched claims exchange co-founded by Lam. The olive branch refers to ending a long-standing feud between the two, which would see Ver pay back an alleged outstanding loan to CoinFlex. In June last year, Lam accused Ver of defaulting on a $47 million loan. In the About Us section of OPNX website, the founders point to the troubles of their previous ventures as positives. We believe that founders who reach great heights and then fall learn the most important lessons and, therefore, have the most to contribute, the page says. Our responsibility is to use the wisdom gained to build a more robust, open, and transparent financial world for everyone. For more new and updates, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.